Hello, everyone. Welcome back and welcome to a new day. It is Wednesday and it is halfway through the week, and I know most of you are super duper excited. I know I'm super excited as well. So, we are going to go ahead and get started with our morning meeting. So, first things first, I want to make sure that I check everybody's mood meters. So, we are going to go ahead and do that now. So I want to know how you are feeling today. So how are you feeling today? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling sad or tired? Are you just calm? Or are you just don't know how you feel today? I know I'm feeling a little tired, but I am happy. So because it's a new week and I'm excited. So let's continue, and I hope that everybody's doing great today, and I hope everybody's happy. Let's go ahead and start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. So let's continue. Just put a little music just to cheer you up because it's almost there. Days of the week. So today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. The month is August. What is the month? August. So today is August Wednesday, 26, 2020. Everybody do it together. Today is August Wednesday, 26, 2020. Great job. The weather is sunny. It is sunny outside, and OMG, it is going to be 96 degrees outside, and it's going to be hot. Remember, boys and girls, let's be active and do a lot of exercise. So if you get your exercise videos for PE, make sure that you get those and that you work on them in your daily exercises. And those are the links that we sent you so that you can stay active, whether it's playing outside or watching the video and doing the exercise. That would be perfect. Your social skills lesson this week is to never give up. Also, today is also when you do your assignment. Your assignment is at the end of your social skills video. So make sure that you complete that assignment. It's very short and very easy. So for today's agenda, it is Wednesday. So we are going to be doing math. So some of you are going to be doing math and some of you are going to be doing social studies. So with that being said, if you have any questions, contact your teacher so that we can reach out and help. Have a good day.